Alright, it's been a few since I posted last because my computer died on me. So, got a new one now. So in this exercise, we're going to make and view links to files and directories. So to start off with, let's bring up a terminal and log in as root. And we're going to change to our sample directory, I believe. ls sample cd Alright, so we have a sample directory. We're in that directory now. That's our working directory. I'll do an ls dash capital F. Now we'll do an ls dash L. And we see the different listings, different views of the listings. So the first thing we're going to do here is link sample 1 to hard link and link sample 1 to hard link sample. And now we'll do an ls-f again, and there's our hard link sample. So we don't have any indication of what that is except for the name. So ls-l. Still no indication. So let's do ls-li. And what you'll notice here is this number is the same. So that is the inode number. So these two numbers are the same, showing that these are basically linked together. Alright, so next we're going to link sample 1 to hard link sample 2. So that's ln sample 1, hard link sample 2. And then we'll do an LSL. And you'll see the link count right here. Before it was 2, now it's 3. Now we're going to write something in sample 1 with vi. So vi sample 1, and this is a sentence. Oops, I forgot to do my insert first. See how it didn't take till I hit the I in this, then the insert popped open. So this is a sentence. Escape colon right quit down the bottom. That's WQ exclamation point. There we go. Now we're going to view it with cat. Sample 1. And then we're going to view the hard link sample 1. My bad, it's hard link sample, no 1. There you go, this is a sentence. Hard link sample 2. This is a sentence. So it's a link to the same file. You see the same content whenever you view any one of these. Alright, so moving on, we're going to do an ln to link dash s sample 2 to sim link sample. And then we'll do an ls-f to view it. And here we go. Right there. At this point, we don't see what it's linked to as a symbolic link. What we're going to do, ls-l, and here we see symlink sample, symbolic link to sample 2. Now we'll do ls-li, and sample 2. You see these node numbers aren't changing. With the links like this one is 3, these are still 1. And these numbers are different. So continuing on, we're going to open it up and edit it in Vi. So Vi symlink sample. And then we're going to do insert. This is another sentence. Escape, colon, WQ, exclamation point. I'll view this with an ls-l. And here you can notice the size difference between symlink sample and sample 2. So we're going to cat both. Cat sample 2. This is another sentence. Cat symlink sample. This is another sentence. So the results look the same, but you can see the file sizes are different. Now we're going to do lm-s tc sysconfig network scripts. Let's get this right. Case sensitive. Alright, so we're going to link etc sysconfig network scripts SUSE firewall 2. Do an ls-f, and now we got SUSE firewall 2. So now we're going to change directory to SUSE firewall 2 instead of pathing that out. I'll do a pwd. Oops. pwd. And it shows us that we are under sample firewall 2, even though the link goes to scripts. Now we're going to type ls-F, and it shows functions.netconfig. So now we're going to do ls-f/etc/sysconfig network scripts. Same spot. So the link for SUSE Firewall 2 directory is just a pointer to the etc sysconfig network scripts directory. This can be helpful, you know, if you commonly visit a certain directory and it's a long path, so every time you log in, you start at your home directory, you just change directory to a link for whatever, like in this case it was SUSE Firewall 2. So that's all I got on Symbolic and Hardlinks for now. Hopefully that gives you the gist of it. I'm going to wrap this one up here because I'm out of time. That's a little bit shorter than most, but I'm going to continue on. The next video should be on hardware or create device files. Alright, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell to get notifications for new content. Thank you very much.